Hello, people. So, as of yesterday, I saw this series called Mumbai Diaries that is on Amazon Prime, and oh my God, it's it's of another realm. This particular show that stars. It has been directed by two Nikhil Advani and Nikhil Gonzalez, and it stars Mohit Raina, Kankana Sen Sharma, and among Mishal, these other actors who've been, you see them on TV, and Tina Desai, another, this very powerful female character, and of course, I mean, it's a whole. If you were to see this particular series, it is gripping like nothing else. Basically, Mumbai Diaries is based on the 26/11 attacks that happened and in Mumbai, and it it basically it follows that entire uh, we are shown literally just 48 hours, or it was like they say it was 60 hours reign of terror, but really, yeah, very rarely does one get goosebumps while watching a show, and it is riveting like nothing else. Riveting. If you want to know the meaning of this word, you need to watch this series. It's called Mumbai Diaries, and you can catch it on Amazon Prime. So, really, people, I could go on and on, but really, I mean, this series, once you start watching, you can't, it's gripping, yeah, you can't do anything else. So, think twice before you get down to watching it, because it is so gripping. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.